What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back for day 12 of the grade. Today we are talking about skin tones and how to get your skin tones right. There's multiple ways to get your skin tones right, but the only way to know if they're correct is your vectorscope. Now I'm going to show you how to set up your vectorscope. That way it tells you where your skin tones should lie. You want to click these three buttons here. Now this is for DaVinci Resolve. I think you can do this on the free version. This is the studio version. Don't quote me on that because I'm not sure. But you'll hit these three, whatever these things are called, you hit that, and then I have mine on colorized. You can have the extents on there if you want, you can have that combined. I don't really have that on there, I don't really see a need for that. I have this turned all the way up, I have that turned all the way up. I have my low range at 0.30 and my high range at 0.70. And then I have it on 2 times, it's easier for me to see. And then you want to click this button right here, show skin tone indicator. You have this line that comes through here, and that will show you where your skin tones need to be so they can look proper and correct. You want to go into your saturation node. You can do multiple ways. You can use in your qualifier, you can click this, you select that skin tone area, then you can go into your curves. It will show this at first, but you want to click here for hue versus saturation, or you can do hue versus hue, and then you click here, and you can change it like that if you want. That is a way to do it, and now we kind of got the right skin tone. Or the way I like to do it, it's all personal preference, is I go to the color slice node, and it's basically doing the exact same thing. I'm gonna reset this, turn that back down, and so that's basically doing the same thing. Is the hue versus saturation node, or hue versus saturation curves. It's kind of these things right here. This is your saturation for the skin tone, or for whatever color is selected, and this is your color density right here. So it kind of combines, in my opinion, those two curves into this little situation right here. But yes, that is how you get your skin tones correct for any footage. Thank y'all for tuning in to day 12 of the grade. In day 13, we're talking about your color wheels. Deuces.